All right, hello once again, Jeff Scott of Rankin Technical College. And as part of the Rankin Technical College EWD 1000 Web Development Technologies course, I've been creating a series of video presentations based off of the Mozilla Developer Network's Learn Web Development series. As you can see, I'm in the server-side website portion, Express Web Framework, Node.js-JavaScript, and we're in part 6 of our 7-part local library tutorial, working with forms. So far, I've created the genre form, the author form, and the book form. So it's time to create the book instance form. As it says, this article will show how to create that. And the first thing we have to do is bring up our book instance controller like we've been doing and basically make the validator, the Express validator, available to it. All right, next we want to come in and we want to find the create get, and we're going to replace that code and the create post that we'll do in just a minute. So at the top of the file, require the book model needed because each book instance is connected to a book. So we need that at the top as well. Now let's go down into our create get. And as it says, this will get a list of all books and passes it to the book instance form along with the title. Next, we're going to do the create post. And as it says, the structure and behavior of this code is the same as for creating our other objects. First, we validate and sanitize. If the data is invalid, we redisplay the form with the data that was originally entered and the associated error messages. If it's valid, we save the new book instance and we redirect the user to the detail page. Okay. All right. Next, we want to come in and create our book instance form.pug file and then put in the code that you see down here. So let's create a new file. Let's save it into our views folder. And as you know, then it'll be saved as bookinstanceform.pug. We don't want to do an open here, which is what I did. I wanted to do a save here. Not an open. So let's just do this file, save as, okay, there's our empty file. We will now add our code to it, save. The view structure and behavior again is almost identical to what we just did. Note, the above template hard codes the status values, maintenance available, etc., and does not remember the user's entered values. Should you so wish, consider re-implementing that list, passing in an option data. So you could extend this. All right, so we want to come in and select the create new book instance and see if it looks like this. All right, it should give us the book name and the date the book is available, etc. So let's take a look. So again, let's refresh and create a new book instance. And let's have another copy of this one because it's such a good book. Publisher and date information. I don't know. Gotham Publisher. Publishing. 2021. The date the book is available. It gives us our picker. That's good. Let's make it the 29th. And its status, we'll have right now that it's reserved. Okay, submit. And looks like everything worked well. Now let's go back to all books and let's go and see if we now have 2 books here. Oh, actually just an instance of it. We didn't have one before. All right, good. So let's return to here. I'm going to do this out of order. I'm going to do the update next, and then I'm going to come back and do the delete because for the challenge, we're supposed to add the delete pages. Let's see. A few tips. Insert the up. Oh, then we're supposed to do the updates as well. All right. Well, I guess we can do them in this order then. We'll do this delete, then we'll add the deletes, then we'll do the update, and we'll add the updates. I'm going to do this delete in its own video and then hopefully be able to put the other 3 deletes, so deleting a genre, deleting a book instance, in one lecture. Then we'll come back and do the update book, and hopefully we'll be able to come back then and in one lecture do the update genre, the update author, and the update book instance in one lecture. Hopefully that made at least a little bit of sense. But next is the delete author.